Hello friends, my name is Jatin. Today I am going to make it a girl with the help of OK. I am turning my page standing. Now here I am going to make it a girl. One curve line, one curve line, again one small curve for making her eyes, again small curve for making the ears, small nose and small smile. One standing line for the neck, one curve for the necklace, one slanting line for the shoulder, again one slanting line going towards little bit downside for making arms, same thing here, again one more slanting line, again one more slanting line and a curve line at both the end, again one more line for making the top of the design. Now one more little bit more slanting line extending towards downside, one slanting line, one more slanting line, little bit closer at the wrist, same thing here, slanting line, little bit closer at the wrist, few bangles by making curve lines, thumb with a curve line and another curve, big curve for the hand, same thing here, small curve for the thumb and big curve for the hand. So here hand are ready. Now I'm going to make a chunri for a girl. It is attaching towards upside on a head, same thing, turning and touching towards and going towards upside, same thing here, again one more, one straight standing line for the top, again one more line, again one more slanting line, again one more slanting line, again curve line, again semicircle here for making the leg, here one more curve for the pattern of all over, here you can see a girl is ready with the help of OK. Now I'm going to fill color inside, taking a red color in a chunri. Fill color carefully so color cannot get outside. Hold your brush pen very softly. At the using of your brush pens, you cannot press it because it can get outside by the pressing of your color. So here its chunri is ready. So here I cover the top with a yellow color. Now going towards downside, taking a blue color. Even also you can fill it any other colors if you want to make it. Filling light green color in the rest of the rectangles and squares. This I made a pattern of a lower part. Here a lower part is ready. Now going towards a hair of the girl. Making a cute chicks and a small bindi and a chappals with a black color. Here girl is ready. You can make it by your own self, friends. Thank you.